Booze. Hey, it's your girl Tiffany coming to y'all tonight to make a quick video showing y'all how I make these actually these new wings that I had a taste for. These are going to be a honey chipotle wing, but my way. Okay? Now these are some wings that I usually get from my local Kroger, but since I didn't feel like going outside, I just thawed out some wings, split them, and now I'm about to make my version of this honey chipotle sauce. Yeah, well, the first thing is I have no chipotle sauce because I typically don't eat it, but I do have some things to substitute for that particular flavor, and I am about to wing it because that's how I do. All right. So, the first thing we're going to start with is the base, and it will be some honey. Oh, wait, up this way. It will be some honey, 100% pure honey. Now, I'm not really into measurements, but I have about 7 whole wings, so I'm going to go with about 1/4 cup of honey to start with. That should be good. I am going to put next a little bit of Frank's Red Hot Wing Sauce, because it's delicious. I'm gonna go with about 2 tablespoons. We're not gonna go too crazy with certain things because we don't know how much we're gonna need, and I only have about like 14 wingettes. I'm gonna put a little ground ginger just to add a different level of spice to it. A little ground ginger. Yeah, that was about 5 shakes. Don't ask, because I don't do measure. It's more to taste. A little bit of cayenne. Cayenne is super hot, so I'm just going to go with 1 light tap of that. Next, I'm going to go with crushed red pepper. A little bit goes a long way with this, guys. So it smells good already. A little bit goes a long way with this, so I'm just going to do about that much. We don't want it to be crazy, but I do want it to have some kick to it. Next, ground black pepper, because that goes in everything. You gotta season the sauce just a bit, so we're gonna put some of that in there just to round it out. Let me get my garlic powder. Garlic powder. Yes, that's good. One thing I forgot to get on here is my salt. And I'm going to add a little paprika for the coloring. A little salt. That's good. Paprika. If I had some smoked paprika, oh my god, that would probably be so good. But we're going to put a couple of shakes of paprika because it's going to give it that little red coloring. Garlic. I'm going to put a tap of onion powder in here. There we go. That should be good. And a little bit of chives. Just a bit. Bring it all together. I'm going to get my whisk. And now you can heat the honey up a little bit if you want to, but at the end of the day, I'm going to add, oh, look at the color, it looks good. I'm going to add the wings that you probably hear frying in the background. I'm going to add that directly to this. So it's going to heat up and it's going to spread around, and yeah. That looks good, guys. See the color on it? You can see the flavor all through and through. I don't know if you guys can see it well, but you will. Look at that. All the flavor in there. Now, we're going to taste. Okay. I think I did that, guys. I think it might be a little better than the ones at Kroger. Okay. It's not enough for me. I like a little more, so I'm going to add just a little bit more honey, not too much. It's not super spicy, so I'm going to go again with a couple of shakes of the red pepper flakes. Of course, remember I said it's to taste. some black pepper because that wasn't enough for me. There we go. A little salt. That should be good. A little more of that wing sauce because, yum. It is honey chipotle. There we go. Now this should be a perfect amount of sauce. No more ginger because honestly I think I put enough of that. Put a little more garlic and that should be good actually. You know what I'm gonna put in here just to bring it together? The tiniest bit of complete seasoning. Complete seasoning, it puts me in the mind of a Lawry's. It just rounds out the flavors. Not too much, just enough to bring it together. Almost, I use Lawry's and complete seasoning almost like the way people use, what do you call it? What is that? Accent, you know? Remember back in the day, people used to really use accent. I know some people used to, oh my God, this smells so good. People used to use it like it was an actual seasoning, like, yuck. But yeah. Yeah, but anyway, this should, ooh, excuse me, my mouth, but this smells so good. I think it's perfect. The only thing I'm going to add a little more of is salt. Just a, there we go. And that should be good. But oh my God, these freaking wings are gonna be awesome. Yeah, these wings this is freaking awesome. Now this, I would say when you're done, it's going to total up to about, this might be a half a cup of sauce, maybe a tiny bit over, which is perfect amount for 14 wings because you just want them glazed. You're not trying to have them dripping or any of that. Some people like extra sauce, which is okay, but that's not really what I'm going for right now. This is pretty perfect, guys. So yeah. I'm going to come back and show you when I'm done with the wings. Again, the wings are over here frying. I'm just going to take them out of the grease and put them directly into the sauce. And then I'll plate them and show you guys what they look like. Okay? So, I'll be back. Alright guys, so now what I'm going to do is take the wings out of the oil and put them right into the bowl. Drain off as much oil as you can. You do want some of it because that's going to assist your sauce and with the stickage of the yumminess, okay? These wings smell so good. Yum. And all I put on the wings before I fried them was a little salt. Well, I dried them really well with paper towels. And after I washed them, I soaked them with a little lemon juice and vinegar and water for a little while. Well, for a few hours, actually. Yeah. And then pat them dry, put a little salt, pepper, garlic, and fried them naked. As you can see, naked wings is the way to make hot wings, or any type of wings for me. I really don't like battered and sauced wings. All right, so now you just take them and you toast them. You can just toast the bowl. I ain't got time for all of that, so I'm just gonna toast them. And just keep going. Oh my gosh. Because you want everything nicely coated with the yum yum sauce, okay? So we're just going to keep going. Like in real life, it smells so good. So good. Look at that. Yum. So what I'm going to do now is plate these wings. telling you. When I tell you, baby, these wings smell so good. Yeah, it's hot, so what? I'm a G. And I want a pretty picture, so you gotta take one for the team sometimes. What I'm gonna do is take the rest of this yum yum sauce out of here and drizzle it over the wings that are on top, because why not? Yum. And remember, you see all that color? Now granted, wing sauce is in there, but that we can attribute to the paprika. Okay? I'm gonna top that with a little bit of chives, because I mean, it looks good in the pictures. And we are done. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my version of honey chipotle wings. Look at that. Yeah, so I'm going to add a still pic so you guys can really see it. If you want to really see all of my food pics that I post, you can follow my Instagram at Tiffany's Tasty Treats, Tiffany_Tasties_treats on Instagram. You can also like this video and comment below and subscribe for more videos. I mean, I'm not the best with my whole timing, but I'm getting better. Consistency is the goal. But yeah, if you guys try these wings, comment below and let me know how you like them. If you just think they look bomb as hell, comment below and let me know. Okay? Till next time, guys. Laters.